What's going on, gang? This is Polo, and you're here on the YouTube channel Life with who? Polo. So we just gonna go around some things. We working on the 89 Camaro, the 1989 IROC. There's a gauge. There's a gauge right here that basically does not move. It stays right there when you crank it up. So done a little bit of looking. We done a little bit of looking and we found the culprit, right? It's this right here. It's not hooked up. Where's the other end? Where's the other end? Oh no. Oh no. Where's the other end? Down here. Back here. So I done already stripped them down. And I found a similar gauge. I believe that's about 16 gauge wire. So we're about to do that with that and do that. You dig? So we're about to get this cracking. Alright, so as you can see, we done twisted that together. I'm not gonna solder it right now till we check everything. We done twisted that together. Got my cover to go over it to heat shrink wrap it. We're gonna check this out. I'm gonna hook the battery back up. We're gonna see what that did. Batteries hooked back up. It bumped a little bit. I wonder, does that mean it's connected? I should have tried that first with y'all. We're gonna double check, make sure we ain't got nothing sticking in the way looking crazy. Get this out the way. It hadn't been crunked since we put that battery in there. I ain't show y'all that, but that's a simple little tweak. Something's draining my battery for sure. So I'm gonna check back with y'all in a second. Let's see if that moves. So you guys, we are posted up in the 89 Camaro, just letting it idle. I'm trying to see if this is gonna move at all. We'll be back. I'll let y'all in a minute. Alright, so it has been 2 minutes. Look like it might have moved off of the line just a little bit. I'm getting a little bit excited. Ooh, I gotta put some gas in this thing. It moved off of the line a little bit. Now, I did not change the sensor, but I believe I got one in my bag of goodies that I ain't put on yet. I gotta finish purchasing the suspension parts. That's what I gotta do. It is moving. So the sensor seemed like it's cool. It was just the wire obviously was just not connected. Another wire that was melted when the engine caught fire. Well, we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, we are back and we definitely have action. Y'all see that? Simple wire, just finding a wire that goes to that specific gauge or item and tracking that bad boy down, you dig? More items to come, fixing on the 1989 IROC Camaro. like, share, comment, subscribe. I can't stress it enough. Hit the notification bell so when I drop small videos like this, especially if you are a Camaro enthusiast or you have one and you're just fixing parts on it, whatever the case may be. I do car shows. I'm into clothing, trying to bring that to the channel rather. So it is what it is, man. Just real life things, doing it the way we really do it in real life. So some things are gonna be very slow, like this build right here. So this is the 1989 Camaro. It's working, y'all. All right, so the fans just came on. I would say that's pretty good. Fans just came on. That's pretty good. So that's pretty good. So that's done. We're gonna get. All right, me, Jacob, and JoJo. It's about to scare mommy. Oh, get back. Get the foot back.
Shit, I seen your shit.
Oh, look at Gigi.
I could be in a scary movie.
Yeah, you can. Uh-oh, JoJo. God damn.